Hi, I'm Erica Lavinia, and I am the display director at Anthropologie. Today I'm going to share with you a different approach to creating a tree for the holidays. This year, myself and my family have been gathering and collecting little bits of nature from things we've done springtime, summertime, autumn, and we're pulling it all together into what we're calling our family tree this year. I have some copper wire, needle nose pliers, and your elements of choice. So I'm going to start with some shells. To begin with, you want to drill small little holes. Take a little bit of your 22 gauge wire. Something about maybe 6 inches works. Thread it through the shell and make a loop that's going to turn into the top of your ornament. Wrap it. Love how this lets your ornaments dangle. A little close up to what those wire additions look like. Really simple. Perfection is not necessary. I just use natural thread, something that's very thin, disappears, and added the length of it to each bit of nature. What I love about Anthropologie is at holiday, you can find things that are traditional and classic to the most wackiest things ever. And I fell in love with this year their felted trim. We have our lobster, we have our sea star. In addition to it, I'm still gonna bring in some classic as well.
Hi.
This is Addie. She's gonna help do some painting on some of our little bits of nature.
I look, Mom.
It looks so good. Very nice. This is a 16 gauge wire, pretty rigid. Second is a jewelry wire. It's really malleable, a pair of needle nose pliers. You're going to cut lengths of the 16 gauge wire and create 3 sides of a square and pinching at the corner. You're going to take the bottom parts of the square and fold up, creating like a little U. That's the top of your tree. Repeat the same process, but making more of a double wide, again, corners. And then you're gonna slide the top square onto that double wide. You want to pinch that connection, wrapping the jewelry wire around the top square. We now have a decorative finish. You're basically going to repeat these steps over and over and over again. As you work down your tree, each next segment will become a triple wide, quadruple wide, depending on how many rows within your tree you want to create. The last step in taking a double wide and actually making it into 2 squares is to add a middle segment. Fold it over, creating that nice little U shape. Slide it over the double wide, pinch it shut. Then I will use the jewelry wire to finish off that intersection. Repeat, repeat, repeat all the way through your tree. Here is my tree, all gridded out. You can see all the layers. I'm gonna go find a great space for this in the house, and then we can start popping our ornaments in. Da-da-da! Our Anthropologie family tree is complete. I added some copper lights, have our lobster up on top, and again, just that medley of little elements from all the adventures that we've taken as a family throughout the year. This was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for hanging out. I hope this maybe inspires a bit of a family project in your house this holiday season. See you next time.